Jay, you're going to do the root. I'm going to do the third. So the missing one is the fifth. So you can come in and fill in with the fifth in the future. But at home, you sing along with me. So you're getting the third. And then in the next recording, you can come straight in and still sing the third again, because that's the missing part on the next recording, if that makes sense. You come in and sing for me.
When I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find to change my mind and open up the doors.
Up a tone.
Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground.
All right, beautiful, good. So that's, if you're practicing at home with me, I'm doing the third, and you can come in and do the third, which is the missing part in this next recording, because you're doing the root, and I'm going to be doing when I was younger, so much younger. I'm going to be singing the fifth there, okay? So you come in and sing when
I was younger, so much younger than today, I never needed anybody's help in any way. But now these days are gone, I'm not so self-assured. Now I find to change my mind and open up the doors. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. And I do appreciate you being around. Help me get my feet back on the ground.
Okay, beautiful, good. So that's the fifth. You can do the fifth along with me. You might want to do it in falsetto, okay? So then what you can do is you can come in, you can practice that fifth with me, then take this recording back and fill in the empty harmony, which is you're doing the root, I'm doing the third. You can come and do the fifth harmony on the first recording if you want. But firstly, come along and sing with me firstly, if that makes sense. So come along and sing my thirds and my fifths, do the fifth in falsetto. And then once you're really competent with that, come in and fill the gaps in on this recording.